Wondering which pregnancy test kit brand is the best? Let's figure out the smartest choice for you. We are here to guide you in making the right decision for your pregnancy test kit purchase. Let's explore the brands customers avoid due to negative reports of each brand to see why they are being avoided. First one, Neodox pregnancy test kit brand faces quality issue. Second, Clear and Show pregnancy test kit brand grapples with poor quality. Third, I Know pregnancy test kit brand encounters customer is not satisfied. Fourth, Plush pregnancy test kit brand confronts poor quality. And fifth, Easy Find pregnancy test kit brand suffers from customer is not satisfied, as reported by customers. As a result, customers have strongly opted to avoid these brands. Let's now explore the top 4 recommended pregnancy test kit brands, including first one, Icon pregnancy test kit, second, Prega News pregnancy test kit, third, Cipla pregnancy test kit, and fourth, Accurate advanced pregnancy test kit. Let's see the comparison. Quantity of tests per kit. Let me see the comparison of each pregnancy test kit brands. The Icon pregnancy test kit stands out by offering a generous provision of 5 test kits, whereas both Prega News and Cipla pregnancy test kits offer a standard 3 test kits each. Similarly, the Accurate advanced pregnancy test kit ensures thorough testing with its provision of 5 test kits. Time taken for result display. Let me see the comparison of each pregnancy test kit brands, emphasizing efficiency and reliability. The swift result time of just 5 minutes remains a distinguishing feature shared by all 4 pregnancy test kits, assuring users of timely and precise outcomes with each use. Place of production. Let me see the comparison of each pregnancy test kit brands. All 4 pregnancy test kits uphold a sense of national pride, as they are meticulously crafted and manufactured within the borders of India, ensuring quality control and supporting local industry. Available deals and discounts. Let me see the comparison of each pregnancy test kit brands. The Icon pregnancy test kit stands out with an impressive discount of 33% off its MRP, while Prega News pregnancy test kit offers a more modest 4% discount. Cipla pregnancy test kit provides a substantial 26% off, and Accurate advanced pregnancy test kit presents a respectable 16% discount, ensuring affordability and value for customers across the board. High customer satisfaction ratings. Let me see the comparison of each pregnancy test kit brands. The Icon pregnancy test kit has an impressive rating of above 4.4 stars on Amazon, backed by 4,356 ratings, while Prega News pregnancy test kit maintains a solid reputation with 2,103 ratings. Cipla pregnancy test kit receives 254 ratings, and Accurate advanced pregnancy test kit also receives a commendable 293 ratings, further attesting to their quality and reliability. Precision in test outcomes. Let me see the comparison of each pregnancy test kit brands. The result accuracy of Icon, Prega News, and Cipla pregnancy test kit is consistently excellent, reflecting their reliability in providing precise outcomes. Accurate advanced pregnancy test kit maintains a commendable level of accuracy, ensuring trustworthy results for users. Longevity of product usability. Let me see the comparison of each pregnancy test kit brands. The shelf life period of 2 years for all 4 pregnancy test kits provides consumers with an extended window of reliability, ensuring that the kits remain dependable for use over an extended period, offering peace of mind and convenience. Let me see the common and good things in all these 4 pregnancy test kit brands. All 4 pregnancy test kits demonstrate exceptional reliability and accuracy in confirming pregnancy, providing expectant mothers with the assurance they seek. Designed to assist couples in their journey towards parenthood, these kits serve as invaluable tools for monitoring fertility treatments, offering crucial insights and guidance along the way. In urgent situations where contraception is needed, these pregnancy test kits offer a reliable solution, providing women with peace of mind during unforeseen circumstances. For the monitoring of trophoblastic diseases, these kits offer a dependable means of tracking and managing such conditions, ensuring timely intervention and treatment when necessary. The ability to access ovulation accurately is a key feature of these pregnancy test kits, aiding women in their efforts to conceive and plan for a family. In an era of remote healthcare, these kits play a vital role in facilitating telemedicine, allowing healthcare professionals to remotely monitor pregnancies and provide necessary guidance to patients. Recognized as some of the most sought-after pregnancy test kit brands online, they have garnered a reputation for their reliability and effectiveness, earning the trust of countless consumers worldwide. Beyond their primary function, these kits are also valuable tools for assessing the effects of medication on pregnancy, ensuring the safety and well-being of expectant mothers. In workplaces where health and safety are paramount, these kits serve as essential components of occupational health programs, enabling employers to safeguard the reproductive health of their employees. Supporting a wide range of reproductive health services, these kits empower individuals and healthcare providers alike with valuable diagnostic information and insights. Following childbirth, these kits continue to be valuable assets, offering postpartum care and support to new mothers as they navigate the early stages of motherhood. In forensic investigations, these kits can provide crucial evidence and insights, aiding law enforcement agencies and forensic experts in their pursuit of justice. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. ICAN Pregnancy Test Kit holds strong 4.5 star rating, and Prega News Pregnancy Test Kit holds strong 4.5 star rating. Cipla Pregnancy Test Kit holds a strong 4.5 star rating, and Accurate Advanced Pregnancy Test Kit has good 4-star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Included in the box, testing strip, dropper, and silica pouch. As we look at the best 4 brands, remember what's inside the box may differ. Some brands keep it basic, while others add extra stuff. Ensure to check the specifics for each brand, as the accessories included can differ, enhancing your overall quality. Prior to using a pregnancy test kit or any product, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional, and always ensure to carefully read and follow the instructions provided by the brand for accurate and safe usage. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.